Do you want to see Ember Fund withdrawal proof and also learn something about some new earning opportunities they have introduced? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I made a video about Ember Fund and how you can use it to earn Bitcoin automatically and also by doing small tasks a while ago. And since then, a lot of people have asked for withdrawal proof, and therefore I decided to record this video where I'll explain a little bit more about that and at the same time also show a little bit of info about some new earning opportunities that you should also be aware of that it now offers if you're interested in earning Bitcoin for free. So before I log into the app, I just want to make clear that this is not a full Ember Fund tutorial. If you want that, I do have one on my website. There I also explain more about how you, for example, can boost your mining rate by joining through my invitation link. I'll leave a link to that below. But this video here is where I will go more into details about with withdrawal process, because in my last video, I did show a payment proof that I was paid inside the Ember Fund, but you can hold your funds in there. You can invest it in there if you want to. And I decided to leave my money there, but many people have said that they just wanted to make sure that if they wanted to at some point that they can actually also withdraw the money to a different wallet. And even though I kind of like having whatever I earn there inside the Ember Fund app, then I decided to record this video where I show you that, because it is important, of course, to know that if at some point you want to move your money or your Bitcoin from one wallet you have to another, that it is easy and possible to do. So therefore, I will show you how to do that step by step in this video. So I have now logged into the Ember Fund app, and I just want to remind you that one really great way to earn passively is to just come here to this earn section once per day, click a button. You can see right now there's a countdown timer. Once per day you can click it, and then for 24 hours it automatically mines Bitcoin. You can see I am earning here right as we are talking there. So that's definitely one thing you should be aware of. As mentioned, also I talked about in my previous video, I'll leave a link to that in the top corner also. You can boost your basic mining rate if you join through my invitation link there, so you can read more about that in my article on my website or see more in that video I have a link for in the top corner. But this is just a reminder, this is a really great way. This is what Ember Fund kind of became known for, offering a passive way to earn Bitcoin like that. But before showing the other ways to earn, some of the new methods they have introduced, let's show this withdrawal proof, because that is what so many people have asked about. So I now jump to my profile here, and as you can see, I have a Bitcoin wallet in here with currently, with the current value of Bitcoin there, it's around $200. You can see there's also something available, but there's a difference there, and that's because some of it there, it's not available yet. It has not been deposited into my Bitcoin wallet here. I showed also that in the previous video, how you need to go and claim the rewards. You can do that once a month, and then it will be transferred into your Bitcoin wallet. I just want to make that clear why there's a difference there, because that might confuse some people. But anyways, this is the amount I have. I can leave it in here. I can invest it. You can buy other cryptos. You can invest in portfolios here, all this. And that's why I actually don't really want to take it out. But of course, with any crypto wallet you have or crypto app you have, you need to know for sure that it is possible to take it out in case you wish to at some point. And the way to do that with Ember Fund, if you choose to, is that you go to the wallet you have here and click it. And then you can see here, of course, if you want to deposit more, you can do that. But if you want to withdraw, then there's a little icon here that you need to click. And once you just confirm your password there or put in your password, then you can get this option to send whatever you want to. So I can right here now, I can say, let's say it like this, then you can see, I don't want to take out that much. Let's just see here. You can see what the current value is in dollars also there. So I can say like, okay, I want to take out these, $6.50 there, just to show you, because as mentioned, I kind of actually want to leave it here. I just want to show you that it is possible and how easy it is. So then the next thing is I just click this continue button, and then I need to enter a BTC wallet address. So any Bitcoin wallet address you want to send it to, you can paste it in here. So right now I'll just send it to a crypto.com wallet I have, just because it's easy on my phone, and just to show you that it can go to any wallet or to a different wallet, an external wallet. But as mentioned, it can basically be any wallet. You just need to paste it in here. And of course, for privacy reasons, I've just put it out there. But as you can see here, you then need to click to review. And then you can see estimated network fee, withdrawal amount, all this. So there is a fee that you need to be aware of course there. So then I just need to click to withdraw. And you can see that really didn't take long, and now my account balance there is a little bit lower because the money that I sent there, it's on its way there. So here I will also leave a screenshot there so you can see the email I got from the other wallet there, the crypto.com there, that I did receive a deposit into that wallet. So it's just to prove to you that yes, you can take money out, because some people ask me about like, yeah, but you know, yes, you can get paid, you can earn in there, but what if I want to take it to an external wallet at some point? Yes, now you can see it is possible. But let's also talk a little bit more about how much you can overall earn in some of the new earning opportunities. So in addition to the mining option that I definitely recommend that you do use if you want to use Ember Fund, to just do that every day, once a day, go in and click on button there, definitely something you should do. It also has tournaments where you can participate for free. Some of them have a small entry fee there. I also talk more about this in the previous video because they've had that for a while. Definitely also something that can be interesting. I've also talked about that they had like surveys and micro tasks there earlier, but then they have a new one where you can earn by playing games. So this is similar to other apps where you can earn by playing games, where what you can call it like playtime apps. So if there's any apps available, you can go here, you can download it, and then you can get paid depending on the time you actually play it. So if you want to earn free Bitcoin by playing games, then you can do that. That's a new option, so it can be a fun way to earn there. And another option they have now here, also recently added as of recording this video anyways, is this prediction. So it's like different sports game, and you can see there's a small entry fee, but then you can also win by participating in that, a very small entry fee. But of course this also means when there's an entry fee, then there's also a risk that you will lose it. But if you like doing predicting sports results, for example, this can also be a method. So there's a couple of new earning methods like that. So it kind of like keeps expanding and giving now, quite in addition to this, just this really nice passive way to earn, also more active ways to earn. But let's talk a little bit more about how much you can overall earn, because I know people will ask, like, yes, we saw you at like $200, how long has it taken to earn and all that. So let's talk a little bit about that also. So when it comes to the earning potential, I just want to make it very clear that Ember Fund is not a way to become rich by using these free earning methods. You can invest in there also, and of course if you know how to invest in crypto and trade crypto, then of course you can make money that way. But when we're now talking about the free earning methods or the different small tasks they have there, the mining option, the surveys, the playing games, these tournaments, all these things there, then it can be a way to earn something extra very easily. You can start earning right away. You don't need any specific skills or anything, but of course it will not earn you a lot. It will take some effort, but you can earn a few dollars here and there. Depending on your country, for example, if you take the paid service, you can definitely also have days where you can earn more than $5, but of course not something you can use to replace an income or anything like that. And I just wanted to make that very clear. It's taken me quite a while. I've used Ember Fund for more than a year, so it's taken me a while to reach this. But I've also just recently, after they started introducing some new method and improving it, started using it more actively. Until then I actually didn't really use it much, but now, because I've worked on these new earning methods and it just made it more user friendly, so then I also start earning more, of course. But it is a way to earn a bit extra. If you want to earn Bitcoin without any investment, then it can be a great option as long as you do it with the right expectations. And if you want to join, I'll leave my join link below, my invitation link. As mentioned, it can give you a boost to your basic mining rate, so you can earn more passively all the time there. But also I'll leave a link below to a full written tutorial if you want to see all the details about the other earning method that we didn't go through in this video here. And if this video helped you, also make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.